As entrepreneurs, I think we can all pretty much agree that time is our most valuable asset. But unfortunately, there are so many e-commerce tools that claim big things only just to end up wasting your time. By the end of this video, you're going to understand how to cut through the noise and go from nothing to a fully functioning dropshipping store in minutes using a new AI tool that does exactly just that. We're going to go from nothing to setting up the basics of our Shopify store, list products, set up our pricing. We're going to have a store that's pretty much ready to throw onto TikTok, Instagram, wherever it is you're going to be getting your traffic from in a span of minutes, all with the AI having done their heavy lifting. But you will need to watch the video up until the end if you are serious about getting into dropshipping the right way. Otherwise, none of this will make sense if you skip around. And by the way, I would also like to thank Doba for sponsoring this video, an e-commerce platform that makes dropshipping easy for entrepreneurs. They connect online sellers with thousands of vetted suppliers so you can find, list and sell products without ever stocking or shipping anything yourself. So they handle the back-end fulfillment for you. They've got AI powered tools to help you launch a store fast. You can discover trending items, suggestions based on real data, and automate product listings, inventory updates, order syncing in just a few clicks, stuff that's normally a huge headache if you are doing it manually. They remove the technical and logistical headaches of building a dropshipping business so founders can focus on selling and scaling. So if you want to give them a test drive, there is a link in the description and the pinned comment. Again, thank you to Doba for sponsoring this video. Let's get straight into the tutorial for how to use the new Doba AI pilot tool. So Doba Pilot is an AI agent which is there to simplify and do the heavy lifting for you when it comes to the tasks that are involved within the dropshipping lifecycle, setting up your store, listing your products, fulfillment, managing your listing, and so forth. But let's take a quick step back. Let's just briefly talk about what AI agents are so you can understand the fundamentals of what we're doing and what the thinking process is behind all of this. So AI agents are like smart little digital assistants that don't just answer questions, they actually take action for you. They do the heavy lifting. So if you go back just a few short years, chatbots like ChatGPT, for example, you ask a question, you get a response, but you still have to go away and do the heavy lifting of your task. Whereas now with AI agents, you not only get a response to your question, but they can understand the goal, they can make decisions, they can use tools, and they can complete tasks automatically, kind of like having a virtual worker. So on the left-hand side, we have got this menu right here where you can initiate a new chat. We've got an AI pick section. Any products that you've previously picked following chatting with this AI here will appear there. Any listings that you have picked in the past will appear here. Obviously, any chats that you've had with this AI will appear here as well. And if we go back to the home page in the middle here, we have got the chat box. This is where you can interact with the AI agent. If I click on the drop down there, so there's a Shopify agent, there's a big commerce agent. At the point of recording this video, these are all the agents we've got. Over time, if you see more, it just means that Doba have added more capability and more features. A bit further down, these are like little snippets that you can trial out. When you're starting out, you may be wondering, what do I ask first? You may not know what it's capable of doing for you. Really useful in understanding what the agent is able to execute. Find trending home storage products and list them to my store. Pick best-selling products priced under $100. Authorize my Shopify store. Find popular health and beauty products, all the way to creating a new Shopify store from scratch. So next up, we're going to go ahead and give this a test drive and set up a fully functioning Shopify store from scratch. For this to work, we are going to need a Doba account, a Doba Pilot account, and a Shopify account as well. All of these links are in the description. I'm going to go ahead and take the first step, which is initiating this query here. There we go. So I've clicked on it and it's automatically appeared in the chat box there. create a new Shopify store for me to start my dropshipping business. You can see there it's analyzing my query. It's giving me an idea of what the steps are that we need to take. It's also highlighting the traditional sign up, which is creating a new Shopify store immediately, meaning I can do this manually if I want to by going directly onto Shopify. There's also the AI option, which is where you use Doba Pilot to build your store. So we are in Doba Pilot right now, and that's the option that we are going to go with. So I'm going to click that option. So the next steps are for us to set up and connect your store. So I need to choose a main category. So I'm going to go ahead and choose outdoor. I'm always drawn to outdoor for some reason. Theme, let's go with green, and the banner of the store, we're going to go with a tent, and we're going to go next. There we go. So the next step is to create a Shopify account. So it's almost like having an expert standing behind your shoulder and walking you through the different steps of how to go ahead and execute this. So I've got an option here to start my free Shopify trial. So I'm going to click that button. It takes me straight onto Shopify. So I didn't need to have a separate window open. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email here and go into the next section. Okay, I've entered my email and I've entered my password. We're now at the screen where I am starting my free trial. If you weren't aware, by the way, you can get 3 days for free on Shopify, and then you pay £1 or $1 a month for the first 3 months. So we've essentially got 93 days of trialing out Shopify for next to nothing. The link is in the description. Okay, so I have gone ahead with that step. It's now moved me onto this section where I need to confirm where I would like to sell. I'm going to select online store, keep it simple. I'm going to say new business or idea. Dropshipping product, we'll just name it VLC Door Demo Store. It is just a demo store. I'm going to go ahead and finish this step. And just like that, we are all set. I didn't select a plan, by the way, which is why it's coming up with this option here. I've gone ahead and skipped that step. If I need to go back and redo that, I can always just circle back. So this is where we are. We've now got a Shopify store that is currently in the early stages of being set up. It's not quite ready to publish and list your products just yet. So we're going to go back onto the AI and see what next steps it needs us to complete. Okay, gonna go ahead and click next. Okay, so the next step is to install the Doba app. So what this means is we are integrating Doba with Shopify so information can flow freely between the two. So I'm going to go ahead and click install now. So when it comes to saving time, as I mentioned earlier, it's taking me straight not just into the Shopify App Store, but into the Doba dropshipping app within the App Store. I didn't have to search for it. I didn't have to go through the headache of working out which is the genuine app and which is potentially fake app, etc. I'm going to go ahead and click install. There we go. Click this button here. Fantastic. Store has been connected successfully and it's now integrated with Doba. Gonna go back to the AI and see what the next step is. Okay, so it's now asking us to enter our store name in order for it to customize. Now we know my store name is VLC Outdoor Demo Store. So that's the one we are gonna enter there, but it's actually asking for the URL, which we are going to go back to Shopify and grab. Now, if I scroll a bit further down, you'll notice that it is coming up there, my default domain. So I'm just gonna click on it. I've copied it onto clipboard, paste it in there. And now it says build your store with AI. Decoration completed, took 17.7 seconds. So not too bad when it comes to speed. So when it comes to the front end of the store, this is what it looks like currently. So we haven't got any listings yet. We haven't really got any elements that customers can interact with. So now if we go onto Shopify into my backend here, if we go onto online store on the left-hand side menu there and go into themes, you can see I've already got the outdoor theme. So the AI has already added that theme. I've got an option to edit it further, to customize further, or I can just go ahead and publish it. It's then going to appear as that theme. So let's go ahead and publish. There we go. I'm going to go back onto my main website page here. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, it's already starting to change. Okay, so we've pretty much got the skeleton of our Shopify store now. So we're just going to go ahead and mess around with listing products. So we've got our first few products visible and ready to start selling to our customers. So I've gone back to the AI and asked it to list outdoor products within my Shopify store. What we can see just above that, we can see that it completed that initial tasks that I asked, which was to build the store with AI. This is me manually initiating another conversation with the app. It's now gone ahead and analyzed my request. I've specifically said outdoor products. So it's saying these are products that match my request the most. So I'm going to go ahead and choose just some random products here for the purpose of setting up this demo store. I'm going to click list to store. The AI is working away. There we go. So which store am I going to list the products in? This is the store that I would like them to go on. It's now confirming what the listing rules are going to be. Sale price is going to be original price plus 1.2 multiplier plus shipping fee. So what it's doing is adding margin onto my price, so I'm able to make a profit. So it's taking the price from the supplier plus my margin for my profit plus shipping fee. So the price makes sense and it's able to cover all of those overheads. We'll select optimize titles and descriptions just to see what the AI does for us. And there we go. It's working away. It's also estimating how long the task is going to take. Okay, it looks like the AI has gone ahead and completed the task. The products are listed. I'm going to go ahead and click on view. So it's now taking me onto my Doba backend. All of the products are here. Fantastic. I've got my pricing. I've got item numbers. Everything is included. Shipping costs. I'm going to go ahead and sync. It looks like all of them have synced successfully. What I can also do, if I click on a drop down, I can click on view in Shopify. That'll take us onto our admin backend on Shopify, where we can do further customization if we wanted to. We've got all these different options here. From here, we can pretty much just publish them, get them showing onto our store, and we're pretty much ready to throw our store link onto TikTok, onto Instagram, and start promoting our products pretty much straight away. And just like that, our store is now up and running without barely having to do anything. We've got our products there. So if I click onto this one, if someone wants to order it, place the order, they can pay using PayPal and all the options that Shopify offers. I've got my different product images. Also worth noting, if you go onto the Doba Video Hub here, this is a quick little hack to get you ready to start promoting your store straight away. You've got all these different videos from suppliers that are ready to use. You can use these, download them like here, for example, and throw them into your favorite video editor, or you can use them as they are to start testing. The key is being able to hit the ground running and start testing straight away, and tools like Doba AI Agent do the heavy lifting for you. Again, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks again to Doba for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one.